Hey guys, this is Jon Danger with Dropzone Tree Service and Landscaping. I'm out here with Ryan Saunders. Ryan Saunders, what's the name of your company, buddy?
With GEROW Services.
Okay, what do you specialize in?
Vegetation management.
Vegetation management. All right, so behind us here we have a big pile of vegetation. We're gonna go ahead and take this camera around, show you the job site a little bit. We got our little mini skid out today. Previously to us clearing this out, as you can see in the background, there's all sorts of brush. We're gonna go ahead and go through and continue cleaning this place up. We're gonna stack this up and we're gonna burn it on site. The homeowner is able to save a ton of money just by us burning it on site. And then, you know, of course, we're gonna get some drone footage and some time-lapse video. We have to, right? So enjoy that, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, this is Jon Danger again. I forgot a little important piece of details. We need to talk about it. So obviously the job is getting done pretty darn good. You're gonna see some dope time lapse and drone footage. But back to Ryan here. Ryan, what's your service area? That's super important.
We are based out of Central Oklahoma.
That's a pretty broad spectrum, buddy.
Norman, Oklahoma City, Edmond. Yeah, Norman, Oklahoma City, Edmond.
That's a good place.
Newcastle, Tuttle, Branch, Blanchard.
Good place to be hanging out. I'll tell you what. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the message. We'll talk to you soon.